Here I have REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can allow add exceptions for this mode. It could be notifications, it could be messages, it could be calls. You can ring for repeat calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.